Welcome this video title Elevate your outdoor living space. Unique patio idea. Introducing transforming your patio into a captivating outdoor oasis not only enhance the aesthetic appeal of your home but also provide a relaxed space of unwind and entertain. Whether you have a spacious backyard or a cozy balcony that are numerous, create patio idea to set and space and style. We will explore five unique idea that can elevate your outdoor living experience. Vertical gardening and green wall bring natural cloth to home by incorporating vertical gardening or green wall into your patio design. That innovation installing not only add a touch of luxury gardening but also maximizes that the use of limited space. This arrange a various of plants, herbs, and wise on wall movement get entered. Various gardening not only provide a packed back tape but also compelled to import various air quality and scene